Welcome to the Toolbox. In the Toolbox, you'll want to prioritize completion of the activity of the month, which is one activity we all do together, and we have a workshop discussing that activity. You'll also want to take advantage of the many other tools found in the Toolbox. There are several different skills provided in the Toolbox where you can do a deep dive to improve that specific skill. For instance, if you struggle with constructed action or dialogue, you can click there and view webinars, perform drills, practice with narratives, watch some sample interpretations, and improve that skill. Or you may want to brush up on the fundamentals. The topic of this, what are we talking about? That is family reunion. So that's the topic, okay? Then what are we saying about the topic? My uncle, that's the next, and you may look at it even as top down. What's the biggest idea? The biggest thing is the reunion. Then the next big thing is my uncle. Then what are we saying about my uncle? If you want to brush up on your classifiers, I hosted a number of classifier group mentorships in 2019, and those are all posted here. And if you are looking to improve your processing, I have a number of old webinars archived, but I also have several that I've hosted just this year on Zoom. As an added external resource, I have compiled so many YouTube channels of ASL users, so you will never run out of receptive practice. The English language can really trip us up, so I have a number of webinars to help us target that challenge.
The sentence is, she keeps threatening to quit, okay? So does that fit? Not at all. There's no danger involved, right? So what do we do with that? She keeps threatening to quit. So what you did there was a role shift. And I think that's a really good place to go with this. Mm-hmm. So she keeps threatening to quit is she, and then whatever it is that she's doing in your mind, whether it's,
There are nearly 100 archived webinars. I hosted many group mentorships over a 6-year period where I provided short narratives to interpret, and then I'd post a guidance video explaining how to interpret them. The format changed many times, but that was the basic goal of each one. So now you are able to walk through each one of those archived mentorships at your own pace. I also hold office hours once a month, so you can meet with me if you want to discuss anything about what you are doing and your progress. Looking forward to working with you.